Hey guys, okay, so today we're gonna do the mystery pin unboxing of the Lion King. Okay, so here's the bag. I think it's Mufasa. Maybe it's grown up Simba. It's one of the two. And we got the Hakuna Matata Pumbaa. Alright guys, remember to like and subscribe.